Routesy is an iPhone app that allows you to load real-time Muni predictions using the public data that's available from NextBus in order to see when the bus that you're waiting for is actually going to arrive. And it works for both the subway system and for all of the buses in San Francisco, as well as BART, AC Transit, and Caltrain. The biggest challenge was that at the time that I originally started developing Routesy in 2008, the city didn't actually have a very clear idea of who owned the public transit data that I needed to use. And so there was a little bit of gray area and a conflict with some of the original founders of NextBus. And that was probably the biggest challenge that I ran into, and luckily the city actually affirmed its position and made it very clear in their contracts that they own all of the data, and then made the data available publicly to all developers, which gave me free clearance to actually be able to publish and sell the application. For the most part, I would tell developers that they should really take advantage of the large amount of data that's actually available from the city and from other public sources. There are a lot of great things that haven't been built yet, and really a lot of opportunity to take that public domain stuff and actually make it into something really useful. I would also advise developers to actively talk to people in government and to let them know what data they want to be available if it's not available, and to make sure that everything's working the way that it's supposed to, and to have a good relationship with those public officials. My open data advice to government is that government really should be working with developers to figure out what formats they can provide data in order to allow developers to create the best products possible. And they should also just continue to be open and publish as much data as possible, because that's really where the innovation and technology around that data is going to come from.